Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add text effect on KineMaster. KineMaster offers a variety of text effects to enhance your video, so here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open up your KineMaster application and open up your project you want to work on. It'll then show you this timeline where you can edit your videos. From the timeline, tap on Media at the top right corner and then select one of the video sources or images you want to edit. Here I'm just gonna select one of the media clip from the source. Once you select it, click the tick mark at the top right to choose the media and add it onto your timeline. Once you add the media clip on your timeline that you want to edit, go to the wheel icon on the right hand side and tap on Layer. Now tap on Text and add your text to your video. Once you are done, click on the tick mark at the top right and you will be able to add a text layer. Now to edit your text or add effects to your text, you'll need to just select the text layer on the screen and you will be shown with other work tools on the right hand side menu. To apply the text effect, tap on In Animation and select the type of in animation, and you can also further adjust the animation by dragging the slider from the chosen animation type. And after you are done, you can also go ahead and drag the edges of your text layer and make sure it covers the part on your video that you want to apply the text to. After you are done selecting your style, you can now get back and choose the Out Animation tool as well. Now, for the out animation, select one of the out animation effects, and after you choose it, you can then go ahead and drag the little slider at the bottom and apply the animation. You can now go ahead and tap on Overall Animation and choose the overall animation from the list and apply it to your video. You can also go ahead and explore different text effects such as outline, shadow, glow, and much more. Make sure you explore around with the text effects available. And finally, after you are done, you will be able to see that you have now added text effects onto your video project using KineMaster. Preview your video by tapping the play button, and that way you can easily add text effects. After you are done, you can then export your video like the usual way, and you are completely done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.